Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my August Ipsy / BoxyCharm box. This just came in the mail, so I finally sat down to film for you guys. I'm so excited to see what we got this month. I feel like I've been getting some really nice surprises in these, and I'm just excited to have some surprise makeup products come in. So that's what we're doing today. We're unboxing, we're seeing what I got, and we're gonna try out whatever I can try out. So before we get started, please give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the family. You get 3 videos a week. You do not want to miss out on that, so please subscribe. But if you want to see me review and unbox this August Ipsy box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I am ready to go with just starting to unbox this. So I opened the tab already on here, so I wasn't like fidgeting with it on camera for you guys, but I didn't look, I swear. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys. On here it says Glam Bag BoxyCharm Icon Box Refreshments, and then it just says Ipsy on the front. On the back is my address that I'm not gonna show you guys. And then opening this up, it says just Ipsy and then Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And, okay, hold on. Opening it up like this, it just says Ipsy on the inside. And it's like this like neon-y purple kind of color. So then when we open this up, we have this little like newsletter thing that they do, which honestly, like, cute, but if they're gonna be printing something out, I just wish it would be like a card that says what's in the damn box. So that's my recommendation if anybody is out there listening. And I'm sorry guys, I know I repeat that every time, but it was so convenient when we got a little card. I would rather have that than like a little newsletter that I'm probably not gonna read, to be honest. So yeah. Anyways, we can get started on just pulling things out of here. First thing that I see is from the Inky List, which I hear about this brand all the time and I always hear how good it is, but I've never tried anything from this brand on my own. So I've heard really great things and I'm very excited that I got something from this brand so I could actually try it now. So this is the Selfless by HYRAM. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. It says that this is the Niacinamide and MARACUJA Daily Barrier Support Moisturizer. You can never have too much moisturizer. So I'm very excited. Let me see if I can find this in here. It says, happier skin, here you come. This daily moisturizer from YouTube skincare influencer HYRAM Yarbrough helps support your skin's health with a host of nourishing ingredients that include barrier strengthening niacinamide, soothing maracuja, and moisturizing muru seed butter. With so much goodness packed in one product, you'll never want to do your skincare routine without it again. I hope that is the truth. I could not see a thing that said the price on it, so if I find it, once I continue to look for the rest of these, I'll let you guys know what the price is. But let's open this up and see what's inside. I am like always excited to get a new moisturizer. Love the packaging on this. This almost reminds me of like Summer Fridays products, if you know what I mean. Like it just looks very luxe and pretty. And it's, I guess, good for day and night with a little sun and the moon. I love that. Let me see like when I open this how it feels. This is also 1.7 fluid ounces, so I feel like that's like a good amount of product. And then here is what it looks like on the back of my hand. It's like a whitish color and very lightweight actually, but also very creamy at the same time. Like it feels really like refreshing, if you know what I mean. And it's giving my hand a nice little glow. Like I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna use it as soon as I take my makeup off tonight and see what it does. Okay, so I found the price. It's $20.50. I feel like that's definitely affordable and you're getting almost 2 ounces of product, so yay. And then next up we have from Dew of the Gods. It's the Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. What is this? Okay, hold on. So this goes for $22. It's 200 grams or 7 ounces. That is huge. Like, this is heavy, you guys. And it's a body scrub. Oh my gosh, I have been in need of a good body scrub, so this came at the perfect time. It says, introducing the ultimate summer elixir for your skin. Let's call her Q. She's got superstar ingredients like cucumber extract and collagen that work together to help reduce the appearance of sagging and cellulite to leave your skin looking, feeling firm and bouncy. Throw in niacinamide, goodbye bikini bumps and redness, and sea salt, nature's chemical exfoliant, and you've got yourself the perfect summer ready scrub. And then it just says to scrub it all over when you're in the shower or the bath. And then if you want like a deep exfoliation, use it on dry skin. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Like, I feel like we've been in this house almost a year now at this point. Next month it's gonna be a year, and I have not taken a bath in our bathtub a single time. I'm not a bath person. Like, I would rather shower and not like sit in a bath. So that's probably why. But now that I have this, it's like tempting me to get like a bath bomb and like exfoliate and just have like a night, like some wine. So maybe I'm gonna have to do this. Like, this is good. Oh, I'm trying not to like get a lot of it because I don't want to waste it. But here's like what this looks like on the back of my hand. It feels like a sugar scrub, but it also feels very gentle at the same time. Like, I feel like this isn't like a crazy intense, like painful exfoliator. It feels really good. So I'm very, very excited to use this. Maybe tonight would be a good night because tomorrow is self-tanner day. So this could be a very good thing. I'm very excited. It smells good. It smells just like cucumbers, and I like love that smell. It's like super fresh, so very excited. I'll keep you guys posted on that. And then next up we have from Touch in Soul. It's the No POREBLEM Primer. Oh, like no problem. Huh? Smooth and pore covering. So there's 1 ounce in here. Let me see if I can find this for us. So this is, like I said, a primer. It goes for $18, 1 ounce. It says, big pores, wrinkles, and uneven texture don't stand a chance with help from this primer. Not only does it create the perfect canvas for your makeup, but it also hydrates your skin and helps control oil production so you can say goodbye to excess shine. Packed with ingredients like green tea extract and soluble collagen, which helps to plump the skin, decreasing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. This primer is your ticket to a seamless and radiant complexion. And then it just says to spread a thin, even layer of primer on your skin as the last step in skincare before makeup. So let's swatch this and see what it looks like on the back of my hand here. Oh, I like this. It's like a pink, like gelish kind of thing right here. That's so interesting though, because I feel like usually pore filling primers are very like matte and silky when you touch them. This is kind of cool actually, because when you like blend it together and when I'm rubbing it together in my fingers, it literally feels like silk. Like, it feels like a pore filling primer, but it doesn't look like it when it comes out of here. And now that I've blended it in, it's like really interesting because it looks hydrated like it says, but it feels like a pore filling primer. So this is super interesting, and it came at the perfect time because I literally just ran out of my favorite pore filling primer. So I'm gonna be trying this out literally the next time I do my makeup, and I'm gonna see what this does for my pores. So I'll keep you guys posted on this one. Next we have from Elaina BADRO, which is a new brand to me, and this is a lip liner. So let me see if I can find this. So this is a lip liner in pink cupcake. So I'm assuming this is a pink. It's 0.5 grams, a full size. It says, what could be sweeter than the perfect pink lip liner? This one effortlessly glides on, allowing you to shape, enhance, and define your pout with precision. Whether you want to create a naturally fuller look or go for a bold statement, this versatile pink liner is here to help you rock those lip goals. That sounds beautiful. And then let me see what this looks like. I'm like assuming it's gonna be a hot pink kind of color, but let's just see. Oh, it's actually not. This looks like a natural pink. Okay, I actually really like this kind of pink. I'm glad it's not like a hot pink because I've been really into like the more natural lip kind of colors lately. And this almost reminds me of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It looks a little bit similar. I have like a darker color on my lips, so I don't know how well this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try to just line a little bit so you guys could see. Yeah, that didn't really do much, you guys. But on here, it looks really beautiful. I will keep you guys posted on what this does for me, but it does glide on really nicely. And just putting it on the back of my hand, it felt really easy to apply here. And again, the color is beautiful. The pigment is there. Like, it took like no effort to do this. So I'm really, really excited about this one. And then last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. It's the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadows. So it's a 10 color eyeshadow palette. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. Okay, so it's like a bunch of pinks. I feel like this is like just in time because the new Barbie movie just recently came out. So this is like very much the mood these days. Like a lot of pinks and Barbie kind of things. So I just found this one. It goes for $37. Obviously an eyeshadow palette. It says, this delectable collection of 10 shades will transport you to a desert paradise, literally. With a mix of matte, shimmer, and metallic finishes, you can whip up a range of eye-catching looks that will satisfy your sweet tooth. And then I'm gonna swatch these really quick off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what they look like, and we're gonna try out one or two of the shades. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, just swatched on the back of my hand, and these are all beautiful, you guys. Like every time, my hands are very, very stained right now, by the way, so be careful. But every time I dipped into one of the colors, my face was literally like, because I was so excited because they're all so pretty. Like, I love pinks like these. And my favorite part about this is they're pinks, but they're warm pinks and berries, which like I so prefer warm tones in eyeshadows. And these are like the best of the pink warm shades. And I just love all of them. Like, I really do not even have a favorite, but this berry champagne, like this shimmer, is completely destroying my life. How beautiful it is. Like, I just love this. Like, I need to find a place to wear pink eyeshadow too so I can put this on my eyelids because it is gorgeous. And yeah, pretty much all of them are. Like, I'm literally just obsessed. But I do just want to take a little bit of like some of the more natural shades like this and just like get a little look going so we can see how these perform on my eyes. I'm gonna take Berry Bouquet, this one right here, into my crease. Something very just light and natural. And then I'm just gonna take Very Bright, this one right here, with a brush and just put it right into my lid. That's it. Very quick and easy, very pigmented. Like, I love these. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I feel like I just need a little bit of that light shade to kind of soften this line right here. And that's it. I'm in love. Quality, A+, colors, A+, packaging, A. It's very cute. I just love everything about that. So I'm so excited right now, you guys. This whole entire box has been just a really good one. Like, I feel like every single product that was in here, I'm like truly excited to use and continue playing with. So A+ for this month's box. I'm very, very excited, and I will keep you guys posted on how I'm liking these as I continue to use them. So thank you for sticking with me through the video. That's all I've got. Comment though and let me know what you guys think about the products I got. If we got the same products in our boxes, if you got something different, let me know too. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.